So I just went and started the tractor. I was going to back it out. And when I let the brake off, the engine shut down. So I tried it a couple of times and took a look under the seat, and I see that the wire for the seat safety switch are pulled out of that connection right there. So I'm going to see if I can fix that and get it going again. I don't want to end up bypassing it. All right. That doesn't look like this has really ever been crimped. So maybe I'll get away with getting it on there and crimping it. I don't know. I don't know, Joe. Let's see if I can just skin this back just to here. Get some more meat out of it. Sometimes you can fold this over, double it up. You much better bond. There we go. Let's get that like that. Sometimes I kind of fold these in half. All right, I'll put it in there and then I'll crimp it and see if it'll hold. I don't know if it's going to work. I got another idea. I think I have another connector in the house somewhere, but I'm not really sure. So I'm going to kind of wrap this wire around that lead and twist it. Just wanted to make a longer piece here for me. Come on. See what I mean? If I can get this through here like a hook and twist it up, I should be okay to get it started. No, not long enough. So I went to start the mower up earlier, and one of the wires were broken in this contact right here. So I just came back from the store. This is what you're going to need to fix it. All right. It's called female disconnect. In this case, it says it's fully insulated. I'm going to need 2 of them because I cut the wire off the other one. Just so if I'm going to do one, I might as well freshen both of them up. That's what I was thinking. This is fairly simple. I'm going to take my wire strippers. Highly recommend these. I'm going to peel a little bit off of the end here. See how nice and easy that is? You'll love these wire strippers if you had them. See what it does? It just separates the wire for you, and you pull the tip right off. Very, very easy and simple. So, typically what I do, let's see what we got here. I get the wire in there. Okay, and that wire's all the way in. And then I typically will crimp it. And these have crimpers on them if you do it in the right place. Now, up close it's a cutter, but here where the yellow is, it's a crimper. All right, so I'm going to get it positioned to crimp. And we'll crimp this on. All right. That's good and tight, and that's not coming off of there. And we'll just do the same thing on the other one. All right, we'll get the wire in there, and we'll crimp it again. Let's see, we're gonna crimp it where the yellow is. Right here, right? And that's good. I'm also going to give it an extra crimp with these pliers here. All right. Right like that. Neither one of these are going to come off of here. I'll just give this an extra bite. And that's it. Then I'm going to put these back where they came from. And this will be fixed. I'm going to cut a little piece of this off. I don't know if I can or not. But we'll put these back in place. One plug's on this side. All right. And the other in the other connector. Now, if you ever have to fix something like this, you'll know how. And I will just tuck these wires back in here. And that is the safety switch in case you happen to get off the seat. The motor will stop. Because you would not want the motor running and then have an accident by stepping off and maybe your foot hitting the blade or something. That would be really bad. So that's your fix. Both of them are in place now. That was less than a 5-minute fix. I want to thank you for watching. And please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.